Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that we have 1 to the power of x equals 6. So let's have it to be solution. Now guys, to solve this type of problem, we have 1 to the power of x to be equals 6. To solve it, let us recall from Euler's formula. We can only use Euler's formula to solve this type of problem, because when you solve it using logarithm, then you are going to have, there's no way solution. You can only have a complex solution for this problem. So we have Euler formula to be as e to the power of I theta equals cos theta plus I sine theta. Now guys, we have to test for theta equals 0 if the left hand side and the right hand side of Euler's formula would be the same before considering the formula. At theta equals 0, let's see. From the left, it implies we have e to the power of I multiplied by 0 equals cos 0 plus I sine 0. Now from the left, e to the power of I times 0, we have it to be e to the power of 0. From here, e to the power of what? 0 equals, then cos 0 will give us 1 plus I multiplied by sine 0 will give us 0. Now from the left, any number raised to power 0 is 1 equals the right equals 1. So this is true for theta equals 1. So therefore we can now assume that if theta equals 2k pi such that k is a member of z, that is k is a member of positive integer. Now let's test for k, or from the above here we rewrite the Euler's formula at theta equals 2k pi. Then we are going to have e to the power of 2k pi I equals cos 2k pi plus I sine 2k pi. So we can now test when k equals 1, k equals 2, k equals 3 to see how the general form of it will be. Then we have e to the, when k equals 1, we have e to the power of 2 pi I equals cos 2 pi plus I sine 2 pi. Now from the left we have e to the power of 2 pi I equals cos 2 pi equals 1 plus I sine 2 pi equals 0. So therefore we have e to the power of 2 pi I to be equals 1. So let's have it to be equation 1. Also when k equals 2, let's see what will happen. When k equals 2, now from the above here, we are going to have e to the power of e to the power of 4 pi I equals cos 4 pi plus I sine 4 pi. So therefore guys, the left hand side will be e to the power of 4 pi I equals cos of 4 pi equals 1 plus I sine 4 pi equals 0. Then we have this to be equals e to the power of 4 pi I equals 1. Name this as 2. Again, when k equals 3, then we're going to have e to the power of 6 pi I equals cos 6 pi plus I sine 6 pi. So therefore guys, we have e to the power of 6 pi equals cos of 6 pi equals 1 plus sine of 6 pi equals 0. So we also have 6 e to the power of 6 pi to be equals 1. We have this to be equals 3. Now obviously we can see that e to the power of 2 pi I equals 1, e to the power of 4 pi I equals 1, e to the power of 6 pi I equals 1. So therefore we can trace this one down and have it to be e to the power of 2n pi I to be equals 1. And this is the general expression of it, and we want to apply this in our own case. That's mathematics. We have to recall that we have 1 to the power of x equals 6. Then our 1 equals this. I told you earlier that no real solution, but you can use a complex now solution. Now we have e to the power of, instead of 1 we have it e to the power of 2n pi I, then to the power of x equals 6. Again, by opening the power, we have e to the power of, or let us introduce natural log to both sides. We have ln of e to the power of 2n pi ix equals ln of 6. This will cancel this. We have 2n pi ix equals ln of 6. Then let's divide through by 2n pi I to get s. So this, the left hand side will now be x equals ln of 6 divided by 2n pi I, and that is final answer for the value of x. So to check, don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe. 1 to the power of x equals 6. So we have our 1, got the value of 1 from here to be equals this as e to the power of 2n pi I again to the power of x, then x equals ln of 6 divided by 2n pi I, then it's going to give us 6. Now from here guys, we have this to cancel this, so we have e to the power of ln of 6, then it's going to give us 6. E, each exponent we cancel natural log, so 6 equals 6. And that is final answer for the value of, and that's how to check. Don't forget to share, comment, let me know your thoughts. Bye bye.